Hey, hello, you're welcome to Excel You Value Gigi Consult. My name is Jai. Today is another beautiful day, and we're going to be doing amazing things. We're going to be learning tips and tricks to use on CapCut. And guess what? We're learning how to create a moving text. We're learning how to create videos, having videos display in text. We're going to learn how to select every given color in our video background and work on them, like enhance them. So it's gonna be amazing. It's something you don't want to miss out from. If you know you're just watching this channel but you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button right now. Okay, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get our videos whenever we post them. So let's dive into the video. To make video play on your text, so to do that, you click on new project. Okay, and you go to stock videos. You can see the stock videos at the top of your screen, your phone screen. So you click on stock videos. Okay, so you click on stock videos. Now stock videos are videos you have on your CapCut. Okay, videos you can use for your intro, videos you can use for your outro, videos you can use for your subscribe, videos you can use for your like, videos you can use for countdown, and all of those other designs. Yeah, you can actually get it on stock videos. A lot of them you can get. Okay, background, intro, and outro, your subscribe, like I told you earlier. So you can see all of that on your stock videos. Okay, you can see transitions and the rest of them, a lot of them. Yeah, so you just have to check to see the one you can work with. Okay, they have a lot of them you can use, so you just check through to see. There are a lot of them. We can't actually go through all of them, but you can find it in your stock videos. And please, when you are using CapCut, make sure you signed in with your Gmail. So let's move to what we have to do. Yeah, so to actually create video in your text, you click on background. So we just come to our stock videos and click on background right there. So we click on background and we click on add. Okay, so we have our stock video right here. You can see it right there. We have a stock video right here. Okay, so this is it. Now the next thing to do is to go to your text. You click on text, you click on add text, and you type whatever you have in mind to type. Okay, so let's type part. Let's type art. Let's choose a font to work with. Let's choose font to work with. Okay, now because we actually want a video to play in our text, we have to choose a bold font that is bold. So let's try this. Okay, I think this is okay. This is okay. Let's see if we can get something else. Okay, there are a lot of fonts. Okay, you can actually use here right here. So let's work with this to save our time. So the next thing we want to do is to go to style, and for this text we're actually working with our green screen. Yes, you're not just choosing just about any color for your text, but you're choosing a green color for your text. That's because of the video, the kind of video that we are creating. So you can actually increase the size of our text here, or you can simply drag it with your hand. So we can just choose this color. Okay, Now you can see that there are some stroke around the text. I don't like it, so I can just go to stroke and I can remove it. I can make it bigger, I can remove it. So I just did now. Okay, I think that's all for our text. Then let's click on our OK. So we can actually drag the text. Let's still drag it a little bit. Okay, so this is our text. Okay, so let's drag it to meet up with our stock videos, so it can be on same line. So this is our text. Now this is the first stage. So when we're through, what to do is to click on resolution and just save our video. So let's save our video. So our video is saving. Yeah. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so we have our video saved already. So you click on done. Okay, now the second stage, you go back to your new project. And you click on the background you want to display on your phone. And for me, I want this background. Okay, so I just clicked on it and I'll click on add. So yeah, this is my background. I'm going to cut the part I don't need. I'm going to be cutting out the part I do not need. Now I told you in my previous video, so I cut the part you don't need. You just click on the picture and click on the video, and then you click on flip, and then you click on flip. Okay, this is the video. Yeah, so I've removed the part I do not want. Okay, so the next thing to do is to click on overlay, add overlay, and bring in your edited text. Okay, add overlay and bring in your edited text. I can't find my text. And bring in your edited text. Okay, so you click on it and you click on add. So we have our text right there. Make sure they are both on the same line. If not, you click on flip and cut the part you do not need as well. So we just click on flip and we remove the part we do not want. Okay, so this is it. Make sure you click on your overlay video and drag until it fits to the screen. So while still clicking on your overlay video, you go to cut out and you click on chroma key. Okay, so you move the color picker to where you have your green screen. You can see it picked the green color. Then you click on your intensify and then you drag. Don't drag it too much. You can see, don't drag it too much, it will erase all of the black background, so you have to drag it just a little bit. Okay, let's say 13, 14 is okay. Okay, so you move your text a little bit and then you can click on it, and then you can click on it. You can click on your text and click on keyframe. Okay, you click on it a little bit and click on keyframe again, and then you can zoom on a particular text of your choice, particular letter of your choice. Okay, you just zoom on a particular letter of your choice. You use this for a scenario where you want to create your main thing from your heading or from your title. You just want to enter into your anything from the title, so you can actually use your keyframe to do that. So let's go back to playing this video. You can see that our video is moving in our text. Can you see that? Yeah. So this is how to create video in your text. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to create a moving text. Yeah, a moving text. So to do that, you just click on new project, you go to your video and click on the video you want to work with. So I'll just click on this because this is the video I'm working with, and click on your HUD. Okay, so this is the video I'm working with. You can go to your hand screen and remove the CapCut logo. Now the second thing to do is to go to your text, go to your hard text, and just type. I'll just type freedom. Okay. Now there are a whole lot of other things you can do to your text, like your style, effect, animations, and all that. So it depends on you. Okay, you can work on all of that. I think in my previous video I showed you how you can work on your text. So when you're done, you click on OK. So you can just zoom however you want. Okay. What happened to my text? I'll just go back. Okay, so these are text. Okay, so these are text right here. So we can click on it and just zoom. We can actually zoom it. You can just click on it and zoom. Okay, and drag it. Make sure you drag to the end. Make sure you drag to the end. Okay, to the end of the video. Okay, so this is it. Okay, make sure you drag to the end of the video. Now when you're through, you just go to your resolution and you can save your video. You go to your resolution and you can save your video. So when you're done saving the video, you just click on done. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go back to your new project. You click on your new project and click on the video you just worked on, the video you just saved to your gallery. So you click on it and click on add. Okay, so we have our video already. Okay, so you go to your overlay, add overlay, and you click on the video that's the original copy you have that you did not work on. So you click on it and make sure it's fitted to the screen. Okay, make sure it fits to the screen. Okay, and then still clicking on it, you go to your cut out, remove background. Okay, and you click on this mark sign here. Okay, is that clear? So yeah, this is it. So we have our video saved right here. Okay, we have our video saved right here. So when you're done, you click on your resolution and you save. Okay, so our video is saved. So let's just play our videos. Say. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so to make every single color in your video background to pop out for you to click on them to enhance them, you can click on new projects and choose the video. So this is the video we're working with. I'll just choose the video. You click on the video or you click on add. Okay, the video is loading. Okay, so this is the video. You can see we have the video right here. Okay, you can see we have different colors. We have a building, we have some leaves behind the people there. So yeah, let's delete this end screen. Okay, now this is the video. So to select the colors in your video background, just click on the video and go to adjust. You can see adjust right there. So you click on adjust and you go to HSL. You can see the HSL, so you click on it. Now these are the colors. You can select every color you want to work on the background. So let's click on the first one. I think the first one is having the color of the building. You can see right there, so we can actually enhance it. You can see can you see that? So we can actually work on the color. Can you see the difference? Okay, so you can work on the color. Can you see that as well? So we can actually work on the color. So you can choose this other color. I think this other color is having the color of the leaves behind them. So can you see that as well? You can work on it as well. Okay, so you can choose this other color, the color of the clothes they are wearing, and you can work on it. This is what we have initially and this is what we have now. Can you see the difference? What we have initially and what we have now. So you can work on them. I just brightened it now. Can you see the difference? Okay, so these are how to select colors in your video background to enhance, okay, to make them more colorful, to reduce the color, or to change the colors. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share our videos, okay? And if you've not subscribed, please do that right now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell to always get our videos when we post them. Bye.